Welcome to this week's session with the Putnam County District Library, the Guiding Ohio Online Grant. This week we're taking a look at how easily you can just add text to a photo that you might have. So there is a website that is called addtext.com. From this site, you can log in and you can sign up for the premium sign up. However, you can use it just as you see on the page. So what I've got here is I have drag your photo here to get started. You can do that from your computer, or you can actually use the gallery. There are some images and examples here in the gallery. If I click on the gallery, you'll see these different categories that come up. Say, for example, I click here on animals. I have all of these different images that might come up. You could simply click on this and you're going to get the image. You can put in what you would like for your text to say. I'm just going to make this pretty simple. We have a talking cat. I'm going to say hello. You can change the style and you can say okay. And then there's actually this ability to size it differently. And notice you can move it on the page. So you simply use what is their standard pictures they have, and you can use any image there in the gallery and add text. However, I'm going to simply go to change photo. I'm going to pick a photo that I have on my computer. So I'm going to simply click on this one that I have of the lake where we were at. And I click on that image, brings up the lake, the image, and obviously I don't want this to say hello. Maybe I want this to say beautiful. And again, I could change my font. Did I spell correctly? I might not have. Let's try this and see what we see here. I'm just going to say fine, see what that does. Yep, there we go. Say okay. And now I have the word beautiful. That is how you either use the gallery or your own image. And then what we can do is simply click on download or share. When I click on download, I have the option of sharing this out or going to download. I'm going to go download. You'll see it pops up here. It does make it a JPEG, which is the standard image. And then here's what you see. So I could use my image as however I would choose at this point. That is this week's session. Hope you find this information helpful and useful. Have a great week.